Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a shout out video to the channel members. Now for those of you that aren't aware, there is a channel membership option and it's called the 365 Club and it costs £4.99 a month, and what perks you get with that is you get quicker reply to comments because the YouTube app makes it that members' comments show on a separate tab. So you're more likely to get replied to quicker because, like I said, it actually separates the paid members' comments. Also, when I upload videos, not every single video, but quite often when I upload a video, I will release it like a day or so before to members only. So members only get kind of a sneak preview of the video before it's released to everyone else. And then there's a couple of other perks. You get a logo next to your name, and depending on how many months you've been a channel member, that logo changes with each month. So there's a couple of perks I do plan to add to it in the future, and I do plan to do members only giveaways in the future as well. But I just wanted to do a quick video to shout out those of you that are members so far. Now, I don't feel like you have to be a member, just you watching my videos is enough support, and I appreciate times are hard, so I do not expect anybody to be joining as a membership. But I just wanted to shout out those of you that have. Now, Cranky has recently joined the 365 Club. Now, many of you will know Cranky. He makes some great videos. I will leave a link to all the members in the description of this video so you can go over and subscribe to them and check out their videos. We've also recently have KW subscribed to the channel. Now, I think he's only done one video, I believe, so far. I might be wrong. I'll have to have a little look back. Many of you would have seen his name in the comments because he's a very active member of the stacking community here on YouTube, and he's constantly showing support and commenting on people's videos. His channel name is Great North Stacking, and again, I will leave a link to that in the description of this video so you can go and check out his videos as well. But that currently takes me up to 6 channel members, so I wanted to shout out to everyone as well. And that includes the Stack Collector. The Stack Collector was the first person to jump on the channel membership. I think it was pretty much the day I announced it. He was one of the first people to subscribe to it, so thank you very much, the Stack Collector. The next one is Shashank. Now, I've never actually seen Shashank comment on any of my videos, and when I do my separate community posts, because there's a way of doing separate community posts that only go to channel members, and when I do those posts and pictures, I've never actually seen him comment. So he's one of these people that enjoys watching the content and supporting the channel, but he doesn't necessarily comment on any videos. And it's quite nice sometimes that there's people out there that watch your videos and you don't really even know that they're watching your videos. I had never seen his name on any comments in any of my videos or anything before. The first time I saw his name was when it popped up in an email saying that he had subscribed to the channel membership. So yeah, shout out to you as well if you're watching this video. The next person is the Silver Stacker. Many of you would have seen the Silver Stacker. He's an up and coming YouTuber. He's only been around on the YouTube scene for a few months, but you can already see how much his channel has improved. He used to film from his bed, but now he films on a desk. He's got a globe in the background. He's constantly researching his videos and buying new items for his stack. The next channel member is Tungo. I hope I said that name right. He has quite a large YouTube channel actually, and he recently started stacking precious metals, and he did make a separate stacking channel, but I think now he's gone back to using his main channel to upload his videos. But if you check his content, it's really interesting. It's not just precious metals, because like I said, he's only just got into stacking precious metals. It's all about selling on eBay and basically how to make money. So it's actually a really interesting channel. It's worth checking him out. So that takes us up to the 6 members. The other 2, like I said, is Cranky and KW. So I really appreciate you all for joining the membership. And like I said, I do plan to do some separate giveaways in the future and things like that as well. So yeah, just a quick video really to say thank you very much for your support. While we're here, I wanted to do an update for those of you that watched my video yesterday. I think I released it, showcasing the Quarter Sovereign. Now, I actually decided to send back the other one. It was a higher mintage number than this one. There was only 1,750, I think, released in total. And this one had 209 as the COA. And the other one had like 1,200 or something like that. But the only reason I sent it back was that the coin was absolutely fine. But it was sitting in the capsule a bit lopsided. It didn't look very nice. it wasn't presented very nice. And when you're buying a proof coin, you're paying a very, very high premium, especially on these Coronation Sovereigns. So I wanted it to be perfect. It's a shame because I like the idea of having two, so in the future I could pass it down to both of my children. But nevertheless, I've still got one that turned out nice. And I think that's what I'm going to do going forward when I go to the Royal Mint. Whenever I see something I like, especially something that could sell out quickly if it's a limited mintage like a proof or something like that, I think it definitely is worth. This is a bit of advice really for those of you buying from the Royal Mint, because we all know that their quality control isn't great. I don't know whether that's because they've kind of grown quicker over the last few years than they planned to since everything that happened with the economy and all the rest of it, and people rush into the precious metals market. So I don't know if they've always had a quality control issue. You'll have to let me know, those of you that have been stacking for longer than myself. But I think the best thing to do when you want to buy something from the Royal Mint, and like I said, especially a proof or a limited mintage item, I think it's worth buying two or maybe even three, because with proof coins you can send them back for a refund. With bullion pieces, if you buy a bullion piece like a Britannia or something like that from the Royal Mint and it's got a couple of scratches and things like that, then you can send it back for a return, but you can't get a refund. And sometimes they won't even let you have a return. Sometimes they'll say that it's a bullion piece, you're paying for the silver content, so therefore you can't have a replacement even. But with proofs it's different because they're classed as commemorative coins. You can actually send them back for either a different one or to get your money back. So I do recommend, if you're buying things from the Royal Mint, to maybe buy two or three, because then you can go through them. You can pick the one with the maybe lower mintage or the mintage number that you like, the one that looks better. If you've got any of the that have got scuffs, or like I had when the coin doesn't fit quite right in the capsule, or whatever it may be, you can actually send back the others and just keep hold of the best one. So yeah, a little bit of advice there for those of you that are getting disappointed when you're buying from the Royal Mint. Instead of buying one item and getting disappointed, sending it back and then getting another item, being disappointed again, and keep doing the same process, maybe that's the way forward, just to buy two or three of the same item, and then you can literally pick the best one and send the others back. And it's quite a straightforward returns process. You literally log in, you click that you want to return an item, you select the item you want to resend, they sent you a free label to print out, you slap it on the box and then you send it back. So yeah, it's quite a straightforward process. But yeah, a little bit of advice there, I would say, when buying the Royal Mint, and I kind of discovered it by mistake by purchasing this Coronation Sovereign. So yeah, that's it really for this video. It's mainly a shout out to the channel members, because there's been a number of members recently joined and I hadn't given them a mention in any videos, so that's why I wanted to do this videos. The last couple of days have been pre-recorded videos, so that's why I haven't thanked them during a video up till now. As always, thanks very much for all the support, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.